Hello you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lauren and I'm a YouTuber here from Dallas, Texas. I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos, productivity videos. My husband Cody and I like to do travel vlogs whenever we go places. Please hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our channel. In today's video, I am specifically showing you guys my haul from Amazon, which is the majority of all the items. I have really purchased a lot of Amazon things this month. And then I have one item from Aritzia. It's actually my first Aritzia purchase. One home decor item from Target. So if you wanna see what I've bought this month, then keep sticking around and let's get into the haul. I signed up for the first free month of Amazon Prime. Call me crazy, like I'm a little bit behind on the times. I must live under a rock. I got a little spoiled, maybe got a little crazy. It is what it is, and I'm making a haul out of it. First and foremost is this half pearl, half gold chain necklace. I bought the one with the T initial because that is my new married last name. It's like under 20 bucks. It doesn't tarnish and it's been pretty good quality. I've like slept in it because I forgot I had it on. I literally swam in the ocean, didn't tarnish, didn't fall off. It has a toggle, so I was like kind of nervous about that, but it stays on pretty well. Okay, the next item I had bought for my last trip, and it is these packing cubes. I bought them in the beige version and it came with a bunch of different size. I used them for my most recent beach trip to Gulf Shores. I think I filmed a pack with me for the beach, so I'll link that video below so you can see how I packed with them. This is the largest size and it comes with like a medium, a small, and then this one is like a shoe bag. They were like $20-ish, I want to say, and they actually saved me a lot of room in my large suitcase, and so I like overpacked because I had so much room left after packing with these. If you follow me anywhere else on social media, I post about these sunglasses constantly on my TikTok, on my Instagram. They're like the rectangle vintage style sunglasses. I think they're like the Prada sunglass dupes, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not really sure. I'm not really one that like buys designer sunglasses because I'm so rough on them. I really don't wear sunglasses enough, so when I do buy sunglasses, they're definitely cheap ones from Amazon. I love the like light bubblegum pink color. The only thing I will say, and then maybe I have a big head, I don't know, but wearing them after a while, like they squeeze and are kind of tight right here, so they give me kind of a headache. But I think just wearing them over time will keep that from happening. I just know, like, I wore them to the beach one whole day and it made my temples right here hurt so bad. Overall, super cute and I highly recommend. Okay, next purchase are these gold little like huggy hoops that are on my second piercing. This is actually my second time buying these. I had a pair that I wore every single day since I got them last November, and I just now swapped them out. So they lasted me a little less than a year before they started tarnishing, and I mean, for like 10 bucks, that is freaking good. If I swap these out like once a year, I wear them, like I said, every day. I sleep in them, I shower in them. Like, I'm not the kind of girl that can just take off jewelry every day. Like, I like something that lasts, that I can wear it, that I don't have to take it off. Like, if I can shower in it and it be good, like, take my money. They're just like a staple. I wore these in the ocean, in the salt water, nothing. They're our good girl. Okay, the next thing that I purchased is a mouse pad. I work from home, so I've been trying to upgrade my work from home desk. I needed a mouse pad because the one I was using is like my husband's corporate work one, and it was just time. I just got a plain white one. This one is pretty thick. It was literally less than $10. I want to say it was like $7. I just wanted a plain white one, nothing special. I love it. It looks great and I recommend it. The next thing is this laptop stand. Like I said, I work from home. So this laptop stand, I'll do a video and a photo here to show you what it looks like. I got the champagne color and it just holds my laptop perfectly. It like angles it so that I'm not like looking down constantly and like straining my neck, which I've been doing for like a year now, and trust me, it has saved my neck. I had like other colors too. The champagne is pretty similar to rose gold. I think it's just like a little bit less pink. Okay, I am obsessed with this keyboard and mouse. So I use this with my laptop. I don't know how I did working from home for over a year and not having a keyboard and a wireless mouse, guys. I was typing on my laptop with a corded mouse. Had to be plugged into my laptop at all times. I did that for a year. And I bought this and I feel like I'm in a completely new world. I feel like I time traveled like 100 years. Working off of these things has just made life and typing and working so much easier. It's so much less stressful on my wrist, on my hands. I got the white, like you saw, but it also comes in black. I just wanted something simple and plain. So following the fanny pack trend, I'm absolutely obsessed with this fanny pack. Another TikTok find. I got this because I wear my Lululemon belt bag constantly and I noticed it was getting dirty and I just knew I needed another option because I use it every single day. But this one is so great. It comes in so many different colors. I like that it's 2 zipper pockets, so it holds a lot of room. It doesn't really hold like my vlogging camera when I go out in public, which is annoying, but if I like don't have my phone in it and it's just my camera and my wallet, it's fine. It just is kind of snug to zip up. Overall, it holds literally everything else that I need and then some. Okay, my next item is also for my desk. It is this acrylic stand that my desktop is sitting on top of. This one's like $40, I think. I like to tuck in like the mouse pad and the mouse and then my little keyboard in there. It has organized my desk a ton. I love the acrylic look because it's super aesthetic. The next one is for my Apple Watch. It is a gold like bracelet for it. Normally I've just been using the silicone ones and it's gotten super dirty. So this one is so nice, but I left my watch at my parents' house last night when I went over there for dinner. So mad at myself, but I have a video wearing it and I have photos, so I'll show you that here. Under $20, and it comes with a little kit so you can size it yourself. The only thing though that does kind of annoy me is I like to wear my watch working out and I don't feel like that type of watch band is something that I would work out in, but I don't want to swap out the straps every day when I go work out. I'm trying to figure out exactly how to do that. I might just see what it's like working out in it, but I've just been taking it off to go work out. But overall, 10 out of 10 recommend. It's so pretty. This is like a long overdue purchase. I've had this in my cart for so long. These glass straws. We've been using like rubber ones, metal ones, they just like don't do. So I finally broke down and bought these. They weren't even that expensive. When I say broke down, they were like $8 and they came in a whole pack of them, and I think they're just pretty with my iced coffee. We like to make mocktails during the day for lunch and stuff like that, and these are gonna be perfect. Okay, another item I'm gonna have to take you into my bathroom to show you, and it is these acrylic shelves. I am obsessed. I know like a lot of people commented on my TikTok. I say a lot, like 2 people commented on my TikTok and YouTube shorts saying like they could never have their like items just out in the open. Honestly, I thought that way too. I thought it would look cluttered, but to me personally, I only put specific items that I thought would look good like out in the open. Finally wanted to fill the wall that was empty, and I just love how it looks. Okay, my last item, this is the hair wax stick. I don't know what celebrity shared this, but I saw on TikTok someone said that some celebrity like posted out this stick, and I've been using it to slick back my hair, and it's like the first thing that I found that slicks back my little wispies, doesn't like make my hair crunchy. I feel like if you use too much of it though, like it could make your hair look oily, so I would definitely be careful with that. I've been using this every day and it has helped like slick back my hair so much. It stays all day, and I have bangs that are like awkward length. I just like slick them back, I hairspray where the ends are, pat it down, and like you're good to go. I wore this all day yesterday to the mall. It didn't come undone, so I really recommend. This is also less than $10. Okay, so like I said, I got something from Aritzia. I'm wearing it now, and I broke down and bought the like bodysuit, and I'm wearing a size small. It is a bit on the pricier side, and I've been wanting to buy one off of Amazon for a while. With bodysuits like this, like I was so self-conscious on getting one that just didn't hug me right. I also didn't want to get like a huge camel toe, and I just was really nervous about buying a low quality one because of that. There's no hiding it. If it just doesn't hug you right, you're gonna know. I went to the mall and tried this one on just for funsies. I just knew. I was like, this is it. And I've never been more confident in just literally wearing a full-on like unitard. 10 out of 10 recommend spending the money and getting a good quality one. The last thing is my chair in the living room. Super happy with how it looks, so I'll post a video of us unwrapping it and throwing it in our living room now.